children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your English 2 teacher Gitanjali ma'am. In the last class we have discussed about opposites and I have given you homework also. You have done well. Today we will start with question number A. Okay. Read the clues in column A and write the words in column B. Then in column C, fill in the missing letters to find the opposites of the words you have written in column B. So, here are some clues given in column A. Then you will read these clues and you will find out the answer and you will write in column B. This is column B, okay. And after that, you will find the opposite of the words given in column B and you will write the opposite words where? In column C. So, this is column C, okay. Number 1. Likely to break under pressure. So, if there will be some kind of pressure, some kind of force, then it will break down. And the first alphabet is given as W. So, what will be the word? Weak. That is why it will break down easily. Yes. So, you will write W already given E-A-K. And what is the opposite of the word weak? And the first letter is also given S. So, what? Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Okay. Weak, strong. Next, number 2. A person who is on good terms with another. So, who is on good terms in classroom also? Who is on good terms with you? Your friend. So, F is also given. From here only we can understand that it will be the word friend. And what is the opposite of the word friend? Enemy. E is given. E-N-E-M-Y. Now, number 3, free from dirt, and it is given neat. Okay, so it is free from dirt. It is not dirty. It is not untidy. And it is also what? Neat. That means what? And C is given. What it will be? It will be clean. Neat and clean. We already know about this. So, what will be the opposite of the word clean? We already know. And in the question also it is given dirt, dirty. Opposite of the word clean will be what? Dirty. So, number 4 and 5 you will do it by yourself and send me the answers. Okay? You will do only in your book. See number 4. To show good manners. Who shows good manners? And the word starts with P. And you have to write after that the opposite. Okay? Number 5. Belonging to the past. Which belongs to the past? Not to the present, not to the future, but to the past. And the word starts with the O. So, what it will be? You just write down, okay, in your book and send me the answers. Now, question number B. Write the opposites of the highlighted words in these sentences. Choose from the words given in the box. So, whatever is given in the box, you have to choose from here and write down the opposite of the highlighted words. So, these are the words highlighted in your book. Idle, sad, untidy, proud, hated. So, these are the words. So, and you have to write the opposite of these words. Okay. Number 1. Is Parminder always so idle? So, what do you mean by idle? That is who? The one who always avoids work, who is very lazy. Then what? What will be the opposite? It will be busy. Okay. Number 2. The teacher told us all a sad tale. Sad then what? We already know happy. Yes, we have already learned this one. So, sad, opposite of the word sad will be happy. Next, number 3. John's handwriting is very untidy. Untidy means what? Very dirty. That means what? What will be the opposite of this word? Neat. Neat and clean. Yes? So, the word will be neat. Okay. Number 4. Preeti was so proud that everyone hated her. She was proud of herself. The opposite of the word proud will be what? Very humble. Yes? So, first one will be humble. And for the second one, hated, hate and love. So, the word will be loved. Okay? Now, question number 5. Such huge feet. Where do you buy shoes from? So, if the word will be huge. Huge means what? Large, big. Yes. Then what will be the opposite of the word huge? Tiny. Yes, small. So you will write the opposite of it. Okay. Now number 6. Rupinder is an honest child. She always tells lies. Always. Always means what? Regular. On a regular basis she tells lies. Yes. Always means what will be the opposite of the word always? Never. She never tells lies. So it will be never. Okay. So this one done. This one also done. Number 7. I need a blunt pencil to complete the sketch. Blunt. Do you remember the word blunt? When I explained you about the two sculptors, I told you blunt means very flat. No, there is no sharpness. Yes. And what will be the opposite of the word now? Blunt. It will be sharp. Yes. If the pencil will be blunt pencil, there will be no sharpness. Then what will be the opposite? Sharp. Yes. So, question number 8, 9, 10, you will do it by yourself. You will do this only in your book, okay? And you will show me on my number, okay? So, thank you everyone.